Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Tabishi, your girl next door. First of all guys, I know we all of us are going through a really hard time, and uh, as a creator, as someone who has a platform, I would like to share my thoughts on that, and I will do that towards the end of this video because I don't know how many of you would like to listen to those. So I will get to that because since I have a platform, there are a couple of things that I want to talk about. So guys, I know all of us are like in a really negative headspace at the moment, but I wanted to make this video because this is something that I do. This is something that makes me feel better, a little better, and I wanted to share my thoughts on two of the products, great products that I have received recently, and I want to take you through both the products. I would like to tell you how the products are and how I have these products shown the results on me. So yeah, that's the summary of this video. So without any further ado, let's get started with it. The products that I'm going to talk about in this video are from this brand Amrutam, and this is a 100% Ayurvedic brand, and this is a made in India brand. So it gives me great pleasure to talk about these products in my video. So yeah, I have two products. I have one skincare and I have one product for hair care, and I will take you through all of these. I have timestamps mentioned in the description box below for your convenience. The very first thing I want to talk about is the packaging. So I received these products in a very nice bag which says Amrutan, and it is a very good quality bag. It has pins on the side, and generally I'm not someone who really talks about product packaging as much, but I really wanted to appreciate this because this is really nice, and I really like the idea of giving it in a jute bag. So really love this concept. It has a nice design behind, and it has the brand name written over here. Inside this, I received two products. So the first product that I received in this packet was this is the charcoal face pack by Amrutam, and this comes in a jar bottle, like a glass jar, which I really appreciate. You guys know this, that I have always talked about glass jars packaging in my video because I really appreciate it. And the good thing is that this jar is comparatively lighter, like the packaging wise, if you want to see, then this jar is lighter than a lot of glass jars that I have seen in product. Now when you open this, it has a like tin lid, and this is how the product is. Now this is a charcoal face pack, so my expectation initially started with the fact that in terms of texture was that it would be like any other charcoal pack. Charcoal packs are literally very thick in consistency, and it is a bit difficult to apply and take it off, honestly. But the USP of this product, that in terms of texture, is that it's really moussey. So when you apply it on your face, you can easily dip a brush in this jar and just apply it all over your face. It's very creamy in texture, which is really surprising for a clay mask. Now these products, both the products that I'm going to talk about, are 100% natural, which is so great. And the list of ingredients, the key ingredients that they have mentioned in the bottles and in the description, is so exciting to see because it has kheera juice, it has aloe vera, it has multani mitti, it has charcoal, it has white sandalwood. So basically the point is that the list of ingredients that's there in this particular product are the products that I have been listening ever since I was a child. I don't know, I think every Indian household must have heard about multani mitti, sandalwood. So even when skincare was not so much talked about in India, these are the things that we used to do, right, at home. These were like the home remedies, lemon juice. These things we used to just do out of the kitchen, right? And it's very good to see that brands are bringing these ingredients together because these things are actually powerful. Now I've talked about the ingredients and why I have I got attracted towards these products, and I was really excited to try it because it's all natural, and the list of ingredients is something that I believe in personally, and I have talked about it so many times on my channel, right, that use natural products. I certainly believe that even if I am from dry family, right, I need this charcoal pack, because every time you use a charcoal pack, it cleanses out your skin in a certain way which other packs don't, right? So every time I use a charcoal pack, my expectation is to get that glow and get my clear crystal skin, because clay's job is to suck out those impurities from your pores and give you a very nice effect all over your face, and clean your face, which is very important. If your face is clean, you're not going to get acne, you're not going to have skin problems as much as you generally do, right, if you don't clean your face. So really loved the effect of this charcoal pack. When I applied it, it took 15 minutes for it to dry, and then whole face was dried out completely. And then when I cleansed my face, I could see the difference really well. So really happy, that very natural product, and it is doing the job so well. I don't think you have to, you will see it instantly. It's not like you have to keep applying it to see the difference. You will see the difference instantly, and that's what I really like about this product. So I have tried a lot of charcoal packs over these years, but this is standing on one of my favorites in the list, because it's very easy to use, very effective, very cost effective, great packaging, and it's an Indian brand. So hats off to Amrutam for this product. The next product that I received was for hair, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. And I wanted to highlight this again because I found it really funky and nice, and I just loved it so much that I have kept it nicely in my bag. Really, extra points to Amrutam for their packaging. It just brought a smile on my face when I saw this packaging. And inside this I have this bottle. Now the product that I received is this Kuntal Care Hair Spa Do-It-Yourself Hair Treat. Now again, as I mentioned before, that this brand is 100% natural, so obviously this product is also going to have all natural ingredients. Before I talk about this product, I would like to give you a little bit of story, which if you want, you can skip, right? Because maybe it will extend the video a little bit. But when I was a child, and I think I started my hair care using at least lemon in my hair ever since I was in standard 6, which is a long time, right? Which has been 14-15 years ever since I've been taking care of my hair, and I just love hair care. But उस समय घर पे a lot of times my father used to get Rita, Shikakai and Amla at home, right? Because he knew that it is good for hair. So dad used to get it, and mom used to make sometimes soak it overnight, those Shikakai and Rita. Rita is actually supposed to be a natural cleanser for your hair. So earlier what used to happen, people, when there was no shampoo and all, people used to use this Rita to clean their hair, है ना. तो हम लोग वो ट्राई कर रहे थे घर पे, और हमने बहुत बारी ट्राई किया. Rita we used to soak overnight, and we used to, next day in the morning, we used to use that water to wash our hair. Of course not just that, but उसके बाद shampoo use करना पड़ता था, क्योंकि पूरा clean नहीं होता था. maybe उतने अच्छे से पता नहीं था how we should create it. But my love and obsession for natural ingredients started growing ever since. तब से मेरे को ऐसा believe होने लगा कि natural ingredients को use करना है, and I knew कि I'll have to give it some time. तो मैं बहुत पेशेंटली उसको यूज करने लगी, एंड आई सॉ द रिजल्ट्स आफ्टर अ ईयर और सो, बट आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट. बट माई बिलीव in natural products increased because of that, right? So hair care, skin care mein, I always want to add as much as natural ingredients as I can. But Rita, Amla, Shikakai, these are the products that I don't end up buying here in Bangalore, because it's a lot of work. It's very difficult to go to places and get these kind of ingredients, raw ingredients overall, right? But I really believe Amla and Rita and Shikakai and these kind of natural products. So when I saw this product, I got really excited, because this is not like a shampoo infused with Amla, Rita, Shikakai. This is a mask, like a pre-shampoo mask made only out of these Ayurvedic products. Because if it's a shampoo or if it's an oil, don't know कि कितना natural है ये product. But since this is like a hair spa, which is a pre-shampoo stuff, it is made up of all, natural ingredients. So when I first thing what I did was I opened it and I smelled it. It was so good. Like, I could feel that I'm back in my childhood days, because when I used to crush these and use these natural ingredients, तो एक स्मेल, एक खुशबू आती थी, नॉट स्मेल आई शुड, एक खुशबू आती थी उन प्रोडक्ट से. और जब मैंने ये स्मेल किया ना, मुझे बिल्कुल it took me back to those days, because it was smelling just like that, which brought such a big smile to my face, because I was like, wow, am I able to relive those memories? Will I be able to use all the natural products like I used to, without having to put so much of effort in making my DIYs? So I was really excited. And this consistency of this is really good. Like, it's not creamy, it's not watery, it's something that you can easily blend in your hair and massage really well in your scalp. So first of all, I want to really appreciate Amrutam for the consistency of this product, for all the ingredients that they have made. Second, for the natural fragrance that's coming out of this bottle. The smell only tells me that it's just too good. Like, it's not fragrance free, but the fragrance is really surreal. Like, at least for me, it brings back all those memories, and it was so easy to use. I just took some amount and I massaged my scalp really well before I had to take a shower, and I left it for 20 minutes. After that, I washed my hair, and my hair felt so good after the wash. I can't tell you. Like, follow it with a conditioner. I won't say don't put a conditioner, follow it with a conditioner like your natural usual regime of shampoo, and then let it air dry, guys, because I want you to realize and understand the effect of this product without blow drying and without using a hair dryer. Just let it air dry and then touch your hair. It feels so good, and it feels so soft, frizz free, well controlled, and very shiny. Now if I have to talk about the ingredients, which I think I've been telling अभी बहुत देर से, तो आप लोगों ने guess कर लिया होगा, but it has bhringraj, it has amla, it has neem, it has brahmi, it has नींबू का छिलका, it has सीताफल, all the great ingredients that we never end up using in our DIY. So really happy with the ingredient list and really happy with the result of this product, and all I can say is that you should give it a try. These products are not that costly. This one is 200 ml and the cost is $649. Please give it a try. Both the products are really nice, very affordable, made in India, and it just fills my heart with happiness to see something so good that I can relate like with my childhood, right? And last but not the least, I really want to thank Amrutam for identifying my channel and sending me these products. I feel lucky to have been able to get my hands on these products, and the results that I have received are genuinely so lovely. So thank you, Amrutam. I wish you good luck, and I hope you come out with a lot more great products, and I will always look forward to trying your product. And now, guys, we have come to the part of the video which I promised you in the beginning that I want to talk about. So yeah, like, COVID is a time which we are just hoping that it'll get over soon. It's not getting over soon, and I know it's getting really tiring. But in my video, I just want to जो भी लोग देखते हैं, मान लो even if only 10 people are watching this video, I just want you to understand and realize the fact that this is a time of crisis, and it is not easy. It's getting really heavy on a lot of people. It is taking a toll on everybody's mental health, because seeing so much suffering is obviously not easy. But as a citizen, as a member of this nation, we have to take steps from our end, and the least that you can do is to follow the norms and the protocols that government is issuing, or WHO is issuing, from wherever you can read it. Please be informed. That is one thing that is very, very important, that you follow the protocols. And that where I'm pointing out, like, people are still not wearing masks. People are still outside without any work, without wearing a mask. I understand that You guys are not understanding that we are so privileged to be able to sit at home and do our job and not get affected financially. Take advantage of that. It is it is very important that we stay cautious. Please try taking steams. Take as much steam as possible. Eat healthy, eat fruits, eat everything that WHO is directing us, or we are reading at different platforms. Maybe this is inevitable, and maybe even after taking precautions we might get infected, but at least we have to try. We shouldn't have the regret that we did not even try, right? Please do it, not for yourself, please do it for the health workers. They are tired, they are frustrated, and they deserve a break. And each day when you take these precautions, it's a step to help them, help us, and help our family, and step towards protecting our family. So please do that. And second thing that I really want to talk about is the fact that people are spreading false information a lot about COVID. Please don't get into that. There is no point of doing that, you guys. Just before you send out any message, before you forward anything, try to validate it. If you can't validate it, then don't forward it. It is our responsibility to break that chain of false information. Little information, little knowledge is much worse than no knowledge, right? It shouldn't happen. We are educated enough to understand the difference between what's fake and what's not fake. So use that and do not spread false information. We have to stand together, and we have to do our bit to save, to protect all of us, from this virus and from the false information, because false information is causing a lot of confusion, and that's not good. It's sad, it's bad, and it's really disturbing. So please be responsible and only forward any information if you have validated it. If you have not validated it, don't don't forward it, and at your end break that chain. And with this, we have come to the end of this video, you guys. And today I'm not gonna tell you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Instead, I have another request for all of you guys, and that is, wear your mask, sanitize your hands, take steams, take all necessary precautions, don't step out, stay safe, and help as a team to control this COVID virus, because all of us are getting exhausted and we need to take those steps to control this. So I should be here soon with my next video. Till that time, take care of yourselves. Bye bye. Be beautiful, stay happy, be positive, and take care of yourselves. Bye. Namaste.